In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I am Mr. Malik and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 4. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Then we will solve our assignment step by step. So here is our instruction file. In today's video, we will discuss EXP25 Excel ML1 EBL sporting goods instruction dogs. That is the name of today assignment. We will discuss this assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignments? So in today assignment we have question number 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have 13 questions in today's assignments. So let me start today's assignment step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that we are solving EXP25 Excel chapter 04 ML1 EBL sporting goods instruction dogs. Here is project description. So you are inventory manager for EBL sporting goods. So EBL is a national sporting goods store with several warehouses. Okay. You are currently performing an analysis to determine inventory level as well as the total of inventory on hand. Your last steps will be to check the report for duplicate entries and format for printing. So all these were simply instruction about the file or description about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. We have to read project description. Okay, after reading project description we get idea what we have in today's assignment and how we have to solve that one. Now I'm just moving toward the graded part. Steps to perform, and there is instruction. So in question number 1 we have to start Excel, then download and open the file name EXP25 Excel chapter 4 ML1 inventory. After that, then grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file. So let me move to our download folder. We have already downloaded that file. Okay, so first we have to open that one. It is just getting open. Then what we have to do next? Next we are just moving toward question number 2. In question number 2 we have to freeze the top row so that columns labeled do not scroll off screen. Now we have to freeze the top row. We have to click on view and there is freeze pane. Open this one and there is freeze a top row. This line comes. This line show that mean that our first row is freeze. Now you may see we are just moving downward. That row is freeze. Mean that row is not movable now. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2 we have to freeze the top row so that columns labeled do not scroll off screen, and that is of 8 marks. So we just cover 8 marks till now. Now we are moving toward question number 2. Convert the table, data table and the name. First we have to convert the data table. So for that we have to click in this data, then click on insert. There is table option, simply press OK. So now that data is converted into table. Then name the table inventory 2024. Now we have to name the table inventory to 2024. We just copy this name from here. Then in table design there is a name option. Okay, in properties box we just paste that name here. So question number 3 is done. Question number 3 is a really big one, that is of 18 marks. So till now we have covered 8 plus 18 mean 26 marks we have covered. In question number 1, what we have done, we just simply freeze the top row. Then in question number 2, we just convert the data to table, then name the table inventory 2024 and we gain 18 marks. Okay. So question number 3 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Apply a light green table style light 18. Now we have to apply the table style light 18. So for that we have to select that table. Then this table design option come, open this one, and there are 3 parts. One is light part, other is medium, and last one is dark. So we have to select a light part, and what light part we have to select? We have to again confirm that is a light 18. Okay, so we just find where's a light 18. Yes, this one. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, we have to apply light green table style light 18 to the table. We have applied that one and we get 6 marks more. Okay. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, then by department. So come on here, home, there is editing group, sort and filter, and there is custom sort option. Now first is we have to select warehouse, A to Z, and then we have to select a unit price, okay, that is smallest to largest, and in last we have to select department. And for department what we have to do, we have to custom sort department so that it display this sequence mean. Okay, so for that we have to click on this one and there is customs list option. Now we have to copy this list from here, then paste that list here, then remove and click on add, then simply press OK. Also OK. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5 we have to sort the table by warehouse A to Z, then by unit price smallest to largest, and then by department. Create a custom sort order for department so that it display in this sequence. Okay, we have done that one. Okay, so question number 5 is done. After solving question number 5 we have earned more 10 marks. Okay, 10 points. So now we are moving toward question number 6. Or remove the duplicate record from the table. Then Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. Okay, so now we have to remove duplicate record from this table. So first we have to select this table, then click on table design, and there in tools there is a remove duplicate option. Click on there. Yes, and now you may read one duplicate record. Simply press OK. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to remove the duplicate record from the table. Excel should find and remove one duplicate record. We have done. So question number 6 is done. The same way we will solve question number 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And question number 13 is non-graded one, in which we have to save and close the file, then simply exit Excel and submit that one. So till now we have solved almost half of assignment. Okay. Remember that in today's video we have discussed EXP25 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL sporting goods instruction. In start we cover all description, then we move toward graded part and we have solved question number 1, then question number 2, then question number 3, then question number 4, then 5, and then in last we have solved question number 6. Mean there are 12 questions. We have solved almost half of assignment in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks in next 30 minutes. And it's the biggest opportunity for every client that first you get the result of your assignment, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from scammer and our price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be above 95%. Remember that I am also expert of mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, Power BI, Tableau, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve and you will get E grade 100% marks. That's my guarantee. That's my promise. So in today's video we have discussed almost 50% assignment. That name is EXP25 Excel chapter 4 ML1 EBL sporting goods instruction. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.